God has preserved the ancient writings of His Word for us to have them. These writings are the Bible, and it tells us of God's great love for us and how He created us to live. This presentation is from the first book of the Bible, Genesis, which means beginnings. The pictures in this series were painted by Roberta Fleming, who has given us permission to use them, and to whom we are very grateful. God existed before anything was created. In fact, He created everything, even the matter from which everything was made: the heavens, the earth, the animals, birds and fish, and the plants. All of this creation was complete before God created mankind to enjoy it. He loves us, and He wants us to love Him in return. The first man and woman were Adam and Eve. Mankind was given choices. They could choose to obey God or not. However, there were consequences for not obeying. Satan, in the form of a snake, tempted Eve, and she and Adam ate of the tree that God had forbidden. God removed them from the beautiful garden He had created for them and allowed them to suffer the consequences of their decision. Mankind continued to disobey God, failing to live up to the expectations God intended. Adam and Eve had two sons, Cain and Abel. Cain became so angry with Abel that he killed him, his own brother. Anger that creates evil is a tool used by Satan, who competes with God for man's love. Eventually, man became so wicked that God regretted that He had made human beings on the earth. We read this from Genesis chapter 6, verse 6. And He decided to wipe them from the face of the earth. But Noah found favor in the eyes of the Lord. God instructed Noah to build an ark and take his wife, his sons, their wives, and 2 of each animal onto the ark. God opened the heavens, and the rain came down for 40 days and nights and flooded the earth. Noah had built the ark just as God told him, and it floated above the water, saving everyone in it. Finally, the rain stopped and dry ground appeared. Noah and his family came out of the ark and thanked God for saving them. Noah's sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, would be the fathers of this new beginning.